Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya jikelele. Ewe kaloku uyaqonda mbukela into yokubana siyathanda into yokubana siqaqambise izakhono zenu apho ekhaya. Namhlanje ke siye sandwendwela nguye uPolelo Huma nowaziwa ke ngokuba nguMaster P. Wazalelwa ke pha eSoshanguve kumantla ePitoli ngomhla wokuqala kaJuni kanyaka ka1990. Waqala ukwenza ubugcisa eneminyaka emithandathu nje ubudala. Uqhubele phambili ke nezifundo zakhe kwisikolo samabanga aphakamileyo iRhadime Matsipe eSoshanguve. Emva ke ungaphumeleli ibanga le-10 usebenze evenkileni iminyaka emithandathu ngaphambi kokuba ke aqalise uhambo lwakhe lobugcisa. Waphumelela ke icertificate sakhe sobugcisa emagqabini kwi-artistic studio ngelixa ke ehoye umama wakhe ogulayo. Ukhona ke apha enkqubeni sizawubona ubuhle nobumbejembeje bobugcisa nesakhono sezandla zakhe. Polelo, masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni iEkhaya jikelele.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining us, and you are artistic. I mean, the table itself, jonga ugood ngomsebenzi wakho. We understand that umama wakho uyagula kwaye simnqwenelela ukuthi ade abe kanti uyalapheka. Unjani kodwa?
She's doing good now. She's doing good. Thanks for asking.
I mean, you are living proof that not all the school learners will perform well in class, but will perform miracles with their hands. I mean, share with us ijourney yakho yokuba mhlawumbe ungene kwinto ye-art.
Well, I just discovered that it's not each and every child who is capable of cracking maths and science. So I was born with a gift, and I said to myself, why am I not using this gift so that I can just be able to make things possible for myself in life? Yeah, so I took a journey and then embarked on this artistic world. So here I am today. I got invited by SABC to be here and share my story with you guys.
Wow, amazing work. You are indeed living a proof that possibilities are endless. And I mean, kumsebenzi wakho, you've worked with legends like John Kani. I mean, that is quite impressive. Tell us about that.
Well, 14 years ago, I made a wish and a promise to myself that one day I need to meet the Honorable Dr. John Kani because we did a book, Nothing But the Truth by him. Then I said to myself, you know what, one day I need to rub shoulders with this elder.
You did the book? What do you mean?
We did a book in an English
Nothing But the
Truth.
Oh, yes. I thought maybe. Yes, doing Bible. How old are you if you were part of that book?
No.
Okay.
So fast forward, I did his artwork in 2022. Then he saw the artwork this year in March. Then I saw a DM on Twitter, which now is called X. He said, you know what, Elder? I've been looking for you for so many years. I need that artwork that you have. So I have a play in Pretoria. Why don't you come through? I have a ticket for you. That's when my dream came true.
Wow, that is amazing.
Thank
I mean, the
so
likes of John Kangaloka bafumene kinapina.
So
and
huge.
for you to get a DM, that means that ngenenelo msebenzi wakho ukwinqanqa eliphezulu. I mean, for you to be recognized by such legends. And I mean, for sure, I mean, azange iphelele apho. I'm sure ukufumana kwakho lo DM yayivula ezinye ingcango. So many doors open for you. Can you also share some of the achievements? Izinto oqonda when you look back, even now uyaqonda, wow, this is me ndifikile.
Okay, my first achievement was in 2018 when I was one of the top 20 finalists at Big Art Master competition. You know, the ballpoint company. I was one of the top 20 finalists. Then fast forward in 2019, I was the first prize winner of Soshanguve Crossing Art competition.
Wow.
Then I went to Nkomo Village under Safari Investment. Then I won the second runner-up and the third runner-up consecutively.
And abantu ke baba nendlela abanazo abenza ngazi izinto abaqonda okay mna this is where I get my energy, this is where I get the fire burning. And for you it's reading. You love reading and you say that it improves umsebenzi wakho. Ungasinabisela ngalonto. How is that possible?
Well, I once read a book that says books are tools, they're not toys.
Okay.
So if you read books, you expand your knowledge and your wisdom, so you'll be able to expand yourself as well as a human being as well. So I think knowledge, books carries the knowledge even in the ancient histories. If you want to know the true roots of who you are, you have to go through the books.
I mean, you mentioned earlier on that you received a DM on x.com, formerly known as Twitter. I mean, we understand that now amaxesha seletshintshile abantu abaninzi basebenzisa kakade social media to attract customers. Umuntu ayibona into phana akukrwece ku DM. Ungathi wena mhlambe as an artist, not only as an artist but as a business person, what sort of marketing strategies osebenzisayo uqiniseka into yokubana your brand is out there and it's relevant, but most importantly, it's relatable?
Well, to be honest with you, we're living in a modern times now. So technology is one of the biggest things that you can use, or it's either it can use to create or destroy you. So you have to find a positive way to use it so that it can benefit you. So I'm using all the social medias to get my clients through it.
Wow. And uze nemiboniso emihle kakhulu ipainting, ndiyabona bana uphethe osaziwayo. Wow, siyathanda into yokubana sibabonisa ababukeli and just explain to them into yobana the whole inspiration kwezi pieces zakho ungayimisa nje yenje nje.
Okay. Well, mostly I draw celebrities because of what they give us, you know, for entertainment. And some of them, they also inspire us. As you know, this one of the guy who inspires us a lot. And here is a guy who's from Pretoria as well, popularly known as 25K. Yeah, so he's one of the guy who sings in our Kasi lingo, that we call. Yeah, so these are one of the guys that inspires me a lot. And this one also is Peter Mashata. Normally, most people love him through his Sunday Soul sessions, and he's also a comedian. He makes people laugh. So yeah, that's one of the people that actually inspires me a lot.
Now you inspire.
No, I just love her personality. She's one kind of a person. She do herself actually. Yeah, and that's one of my favorite female musician from United States, Brooklyn. Her name is Young M.A.
How? Yeah. Amazing. And mhlambe ungathi usebenzisa ntoni for drawing yakho and kuthatha ixesha elingakanani?
Well, it depends on the detail and the proportion of the portrait that I'm gonna be doing. So this one is a charcoal, and the rest of the pictures that I just showed you, it's done on pencil. And I use any type of medium that I come across. I can use smoke. There's a technique called smoke art, using a candle to draw. Maybe
using a candle?
Yes, using a candle to draw. I might share some of the work with you some other day.
You must. So, I mean, do you bend the candle and then I'm trying to understand graphically?
Oh, you know what you do? You just pull up a paper, then you put the smoke. So the smoke that grasps on the paper. So you used to erase, and then the image will be out in maybe roughly 3 hours.
Wow, this is amazing. And I'm sure, I mean, graphic design or drawing, it has improved over the years. Mhlambe ayisafani nakuqala. Ungathi mhlambe now you're artist yangoku. What are some of the pros and cons, and what is current or trending when it comes to drawing? As you mentioned, or charcoal, no candle smoke, nazo zonke.
Okay, there's something called digital art now. So as a visual artist, we have to move in time. We don't have to just close doors for new challenges. Though it's so challenging, the only thing that you do, you just need to see it behind the screen, then you just click the mouse there and there. But this one is the traditional one, and mostly people love to have this traditional artwork. So I'm just trying to get myself into this modern artwork, which is digital art, but I'm getting there.
So art is going digital?
Yes.
Halala. And ndiyaqonda into yokubana uyatsho into yobana nakubeni nje ushare your achievements nezinto othe waziphumelela, uyatsho into yokubana awukakafikeleli apho ufuna ukufikelela khona. Ungathi mhlawumbe, what does the future look like for you? Where do you see yourself? Yintoni mhlawumbe ozothi ayijonga ngoku ndifikile ke ngoku intoni efuneke yenzekile? Ithini iminqweno yakho?
One thing that is on my vision board is I want to attempt to have the biggest smoke art in the world, and I want to attempt it with a Guinness World Record, actually. That's one thing that I'm definitely most sure that it's gonna put me out there. That's what I want to do.
may that dream manifest into reality.
Oh, thank you
We are
so
speaking
much.
it into existence. Makube njalo livuma icamaku. Abantu ke abafana no John Kani because ngathi hey udilishana nabantu abakhulu bakwinqwanqwa eliphezulu. Abantu ababukeleyo abaqonda banam ndinomdla mani mhlawumbe ukubana nam mani ukuthatha usiba nephepha undizoba ubuya ndizoba ufumaneka phi.
Well, you can find me on Facebook. On Facebook, it's Master P Art. And also on my WhatsApp business, I can share the numbers. It's 065 100 8849. I can repeat the numbers. It's 065 100 8849. And you can also find me on Twitter, which now is normally known as X.
Yes, X.
Yes, it's at Master P Art 1. Even on TikTok, it's at uPolelo Master P Huma. And on Instagram, it's uPolelo Master P. So that's where they're going to find me.
Master P, the way we biza ngakhona inamba yakho, I'm thinking mhlambe funeke nayo izobe. Uyenze i-cell phone number yakho.
Oh.
Portrait yayo ethile. Thank you so much.
But before I go, I have something actually for you.
Ah!
Okay. This is actually my piece of token to appreciate you guys having me here, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This is one, it's yours.
How? Yo.
Thank you.
Yo, enkosi.
Yeah, blessed.
Yo. Let's masiye venkileni. Why?
Thank you.
Wow.